Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris with Infotainment.com. I'm here to show you this 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's our latest build. We're going to take it from a SR5 to as close to a TRD Pro as we can. We're going to start from the grille and work our way back to the taillights. Let's take a walk around and see what you think. Yeah, so on this Tacoma, we're going to be changing out the headlights to the TRD Pro version headlights. We're going to be changing out the grille, TRD Pro style grille, or the off-road style grille. The skid plate underneath, we got the TRD Pro skid plate coming in. Fog lights, we got the rigid fog lights with bezel coming in for the Tacoma. We got the TRD intake coming in. On the side here, we're going to be pulling this pinstriping off and getting to where the wheels are. We got 17-inch TRD Pro wheels coming in, and we're on the fence of what kind of tires we want to get. Thinking BF Goodrich KO2s, but a lot of you guys are Toyo Open Country fans. Let us know if you got any suggestions below. TRD Pro Fox shocks we got going in here. Pretty expensive and kind of hard to find, but we were able to source out a set. Coming around to the back of the truck, we're going to be changing out the factory taillights for the TRD Pro taillights. I believe it's all blacked out housing. The ends of the bumper are the plastic chrome pieces. We're going to be changing those out with body colored inserts. The lettering is going to be changed out to black lettering, and we got TRD Pro exhaust coming in for the truck as well. Let's take a look inside the vehicle and see what else we're doing. Alright, so on the inside, we're going to be changing out the head unit to our Entune 3.0 head unit, Infotainment.com's head unit. You can find that on our website. The door speakers, dash speakers, and subwoofers are going to be supplied by OEM Audio Plus. We partnered with them for this build. They were nice enough to send us over some of their equipment. We got a TRD shift knob coming in to kind of complete the look of our TRD conversion. And with that, the door inserts and the glove box or dash insert in that caramel color, we're gonna either paint those black or swap those out for some black interior pieces. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see us do. And lastly, we're gonna be doing cat skin leather to kind of black out the interior and give it more of that premium TRD Pro feel. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in with us here at Infotainment. This is our first Toyota Tacoma build. We're excited to bring it to you. Stay tuned for more on this build and many others in the upcoming weeks here. Go to Infotainment.com for all your OEM upgraded equipment. Thanks for watching, guys.